FORNO Appliances introduces you to the 48-inch model FCTGS5737-48 gas Rangetop. Heavy-duty continuous cast iron grates simplify moving pans around without lifting them off the surface. The 8 sealed burners offers you supreme cooking control and convenience. One burner has a dual ring, which allows you to output up to 20,000 BTU and simmer as low as 1,000 BTU, giving you the versatility to create a wide range of dishes. The beautiful stainless steel finish cleans easily and complements other FORNO appliances to fit and kitchen design. Contoured zinc-coated metal control knobs allow easy control of the burners for precision gas cooking. The deep recessed enameled cooktop surface has a sleek and stylish look, designed to provide maximum cooking efficiency, help contain spills, splatters, and messes for easier cleanup. Comes equipped with a cast iron Wok-Ring holder. Comes equipped with a griddle, which is reversible and movable across the cast iron grates. All FORNO ranges include an LP kit for simple conversion from natural gas over to liquid propane power. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every FORNO appliance. FORNO, a new era of cooking appliance.